Think about your last family gathering, a casual conversation with friends, or even what's on TV right now. Chances are sports came up. From backyard rivalries to nationwide celebrations, athletics permeate nearly every aspect of American life. Today, we're going to explore why this happens and how sports have become more than just games. They've become part of the American identity. Welcome back to the American English Podcast. If this is your first time here, I'm glad you found us. This channel is all about helping you improve your English by diving deep into American culture. And in this special series, American Culture, we explore traditions, quirks, and everyday life in the U.S. So you can not only learn the language, but also immerse yourself in the environment where it's spoken. The goal is simple: make learning English less boring and more connected to real life. Today's topic is one that truly defines America: sports. Whether it's football, basketball, baseball, or even esports, athletics dominate conversations, headlines, and communities. But why are sports so deeply ingrained in American life? By the end of this episode, you'll not only understand the how and why, but also gain the language and context to talk about it confidently in English. When we talk about sports in America, we're not just talking about entertainment. For many people, it's almost like a second religion. Super Bowl Sunday, for example, is treated as if it were a national holiday. Families and friends gather, food is prepared in huge amounts, and more than 100 million people tune in to watch. Not just the game, but also the halftime show and the commercials. In March, another tradition takes hold: March Madness. For weeks, the entire nation follows college basketball tournaments, filling out brackets, making bets with coworkers, and cheering passionately for schools they may have never even attended. So why does it matter so much? Sports create a sense of belonging. They give people something to root for, something bigger than themselves. When your team wins, you feel proud. When they lose, you feel the disappointment just as deeply. This emotional connection is what keeps fans loyal for decades. And then there's the communal aspect. Game days aren't just about watching athletes perform, they're about people coming together, neighbors, colleagues, and even strangers in the bar, all bonding over a shared experience. For many, sports aren't just pastimes, they're traditions that anchor families, communities, and even the entire country. To understand why sports hold such power in American life today, we need to look at their roots. Baseball, often called America's pastime, became more than the game in the 19th century. It was a unifying force during the Civil War, and by the early 20th century, it symbolized American values like hard work, teamwork, and fair play. For many immigrants, learning baseball was also a way of becoming American. Then came the rise of collegiate sports. Universities across the country began building loyal followings, with football and basketball leading the way. Alumni and locals alike rallied around their teams, passing down that pride through generations. Even today, college rivalries like Michigan versus Ohio State or Alabama versus Auburn can divide entire towns and families during game season. After World War II, television changed everything. Suddenly, people could experience games from their living rooms, no matter where they lived. Sports stars became household names, games became national events, and leagues like the NFL and NBA exploded in popularity. The broadcast era turned sports into cultural cornerstones, cementing them as part of everyday life. This history shows us that sports in America are not accidental. They were shaped by identity, education, and technology, and their influence only grew stronger as the country evolved. Sports in America aren't just about passion and tradition. They're also about money, and a staggering amount of it. Each year, professional leagues like the NFL, NBA, and MLB generate billions of dollars in revenue. The Super Bowl alone brings in hundreds of millions from advertising, with companies paying record prices for just 30 seconds of airtime. Ticket sales, merchandise, broadcasting rights, every aspect of the industry feeds into one of the largest entertainment economies in the world. Athletes themselves often become global icons. Their salaries and endorsement deals can reach astronomical levels. Think of players like LeBron James or Tom Brady. Not only are they athletes, they're also brands. They influence fashion, lifestyle, and even political discussions. This celebrity status elevates sports beyond the playing field, making stars cultural leaders in their own right. But it doesn't stop at the top. The economic ripple effect spreads far beyond stadiums. Local restaurants, bars, hotels, and even transportation services thrive on game days. Small businesses often see their biggest profits during big tournaments or championship runs. Sponsorships and advertising extend into every industry, from soft drinks to tech companies, all vying for association with the excitement and loyalty that sports generate. In short, sports in America represent one of the most powerful engines of both culture and commerce, a force that touches nearly every corner of society. Beyond the massive stadiums and billion-dollar leagues, the real heartbeat of American sports can often be found at the local level. High school football on a Friday night in Texas, for example, isn't just a game, it's an event that brings the entire town together. Parents, students, alumni, and neighbors fill the stands, sharing traditions that go back generations. These rivalries and gatherings create strong community bonds that last long after the final whistle. Sports also play a huge role in shaping personal identity. For many Americans, being a fan isn't a casual hobby, it's part of who they are. People wear their team's colors, decorate their homes with logos, and even plan their schedules around games. Supporting a team becomes a family tradition, something passed down like an heirloom. The loyalty can be fierce, and it often creates lifelong connections. But perhaps the most powerful part of sports is the way they transcend differences. In a country as diverse as the U.S., sports often act as a common language. Two strangers who might disagree on politics or culture can instantly bond over cheering for the same team. Victories and losses create shared experiences that cut across social, racial, and economic lines, uniting people in ways that few other things can. In this way, sports are more than just competition. They're a vital part of America's social fabric. As powerful as sports culture is today, the way Americans engage with it is constantly evolving. One of the biggest changes is the rise of esports. Competitive video gaming has grown from small tournaments into massive global events, filling stadiums and drawing millions of online viewers. For younger generations, cheering for an esports team feels just as real as supporting a traditional football or basketball team. Fantasy leagues have also changed the way fans interact. Instead of just watching passively, people now manage their own teams, track player stats, and compete with friends or coworkers week after week. This interactive style of fandom makes every game meaningful, even if the viewer's favorite team isn't playing. Another shift is the growing role of athletes in society beyond the field. Many use their platforms to speak out about social justice, equality, and environmental issues. Sports are no longer just a form of entertainment. They've become a stage for change and advocacy. And as technology continues to advance, so does the experience of being a fan. From virtual reality broadcasts to interactive apps that let you choose camera angles, the line between spectator and participant keeps blurring. One thing, however, remains clear. America's love affair with sports isn't slowing down anytime soon. It's simply transforming, adapting to new generations and new ways of connecting. So, what have we discovered today? Sports in America aren't just games. They're traditions, communities, billion-dollar industries, and powerful forces that shape identity and culture. From the history of baseball to the rise of esports, from local rivalries to nationwide celebrations, sports continue to play a central role in the American way of life. And that's exactly what the American Culture series is all about, helping you learn English through the lens of real, everyday culture. By understanding these traditions, you not only build vocabulary and listening skills, but you also step into the world where the language is actually lived. If you enjoyed this episode and want to keep exploring American culture while improving your English, make sure to subscribe to the American English Podcast. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And if you found today's topic interesting, leave a comment below telling us, what role do sports play in your culture? We'd love to hear your story. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep living your English journey with us.